David Adams with Miller's Heating and Air here. Just a short video to talk about our world-class maintenance plan. You know, I've talked to dozens of industry leaders and they all agree that we have the best maintenance plan in the industry. And it's proven because we have over 2,500 plan members right now and 95% of them retain their membership every year. So, what are the benefits of our world-class maintenance plan? Well, the biggest benefit is that you're going to get an annual maintenance done. We know that 90% of all breakdowns are due to dirt. So when we come out and do that annual maintenance, we're going to go through a checklist of over 50 items that we're going to check and make sure that your system is brought back to factory fresh condition. You know, the second benefit, which I think is such a huge benefit of our world-class maintenance plan, is priority service. So when is your system going to break down? Well, not on a day like today. Today is a beautiful fall day, 70 degrees out. You know, it's going to break down on Christmas Eve when it's, 30 degrees outside. It's going to break down on the 4th of July when it's 102. So we're busy during that time. So the third benefit to our world-class maintenance plan is there's discounts. So there will be no service fee. If you call between Monday through Friday, between 8 and 5, there's no service fee. But we also offer 15% on any other goods and services that you may need. The fourth benefit is any repair that you do while being a maintenance plan owner is that you get lifetime warranty. So you only need to do it once, a lifetime warranty on all repairs. And the last benefit of our world-class maintenance plan is that you get $50 credit every year towards new equipment in the future. Now, doing this maintenance plan, the biggest benefit really is your system is going to last longer. And that means thousands of dollars to you. You'll not have to replace the system that you have. It's going to save you 5-10 years of equipment lifespan. So hey, call us. We'll be happy to explain it in any better way, or whatever your needs may be with any heating and cooling needs. We'd be happy to help you. Just give us a call at the office or talk to one of our technicians if we're already out there on a repair. Hey, we'd be happy to help you. Thanks for trusting Miller's Heating and Air.